Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects many dog owners, bad breath. If you've ever found yourself cringing at the smell of your furry friend's breath, you know how frustrating it can be. But, what if I told you that there's a natural solution that can eliminate the problem and improve your dog's oral health? Introducing coconut oil, a miracle oil with powerful properties that can freshen your dog's breath and improve their oral health. This might sound too good to be true, but trust me, the results are real. Coconut oil is rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties that can eliminate the harmful bacteria and viruses that cause bad breath. But it's not just about freshening up your dog's breath. Coconut oil can also reduce plaque and tartar buildup, prevent gum disease and tooth decay, and improve your dog's overall health. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to use coconut oil to treat your dog's bad breath, what type of coconut oil to use, and where to find it. To get started, you'll need to purchase high-quality, organic, cold-pressed, and unrefined coconut oil. You can find it at health food stores, online retailers, or specialty pet stores. Once you have your coconut oil, there are a few different ways to use it. First, you can place a small amount of coconut oil on your dog's tongue. Start with about 1/4 teaspoon for small dogs and 1 teaspoon for larger dogs. Gradually increase the amount as your dog becomes more accustomed to the taste. Another way to use coconut oil is to mix it with your dog's food. Add a small amount of coconut oil to your dog's food, about 1/4 teaspoon for small dogs and 1 teaspoon for larger dogs. This way, your dog will get the benefits of coconut oil without even noticing it. Finally, you can also brush your dog's teeth with coconut oil. Put a small amount of coconut oil on a toothbrush and brush your dog's teeth as you would with toothpaste. It's important to note that coconut oil is not a substitute for regular teeth brushing, dental chews, and vet checkups. It's also important to start with small amounts and monitor your dog's reaction. If they don't like the taste or if they have any negative reaction, you should stop using it. But we understand that some dogs may not take well to coconut oil, or it may be difficult to administer it to them. That's why fresh breathes were developed. These dental chews for dogs were developed by veterinarians. They are a natural treat that helps eliminate bad breath and treats dogs' dental health. The fresh breathes chews are specially formulated to target the bacteria that causes bad breath, while also supporting healthy teeth and gums. Plus, they're made with all natural ingredients, like spirulina, cinnamon, and parsley that act from the inside out to improve the dental health of the dog. These ingredients work together to kill bad bacteria, freshen breath, and support the overall dental health of your dog. They also come in a delicious chicken flavor which will make your dog love them even more. For those who are looking for a more practical way to help their dog's dental health, fresh breathes is the perfect option. It's easy to give and comes in a delicious flavor that your dog will love. Fresh breathes are only sold on the company's official website, and we've left the link in the video description and in the first fixed comment of the video, to help people who want to know more about this product that has helped thousands of dog owners to treat bad dog breath. Don't hesitate to check it out and try it for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice on keeping your furry friend healthy and happy.